So now I'd like to look at some of the more subtle options that come up when you're installing Windows 11 and talk in a little more detail about the choices that you have. One of the first decisions you have is here when it's asking you to add a Microsoft account. Most people do add a Microsoft account, and that is the best case for most situations. But you do have the option to not add a Microsoft account. It's a little tricky because if you just click next, it's going to again prompt you to add a Microsoft account. What you can do is select the option for sign in options. Click on that, and then you'll be given the option for an offline account, basically meaning an account that is not in the Microsoft cloud. When you click on that, it's going to tell you about Microsoft accounts and how they're a really wonderful thing. And for the most part, they are. But again, I would like to not use a Microsoft account for now. So I'll click skip for now. And it's just asking for a username. So now I'll be able to log into this computer using just a local username, not a Microsoft account connected to the cloud. So I'll type in my name and click next. And then it's asking me to create a password. So I'll do that now. And then it's asking me to confirm that password. So I'll type in the same password again and click next. Then it wants to go through the security questions. So you'll set up 3 security questions and be sure to give them memorable answers. The next place where we have some options to think about is under the privacy settings. If you're super concerned about privacy, you could go ahead and turn off all of these. And you can also read about them on this interface or do a little research and find out more information about exactly what is being sent to Microsoft before you make a decision. In this section, we're going to talk about adding a Windows account to a Microsoft PC. So off the Start menu, I'll type in Users, and that'll give me the option to add, edit, or remove other users. I'll click on that. And under Other Users, I have the option to add an account. It's going to prompt me for the sign-in of the person's Microsoft account. So I'll go ahead and enter that now. And then click Next. And then it says good to go. The first time the user logs in, they will need to be connected to the internet and gives me the option to finish. So it never asks me for the password. It just asks me for the username. When this user attempts to log into this Windows 11 PC for the first time, it will connect to the internet and verify their password against their Microsoft account. Now that the user is here, I have 2 options. I could remove, and I think that's self-explanatory. The other option is to change the account type, and our choices are standard user or administrator. An administrator can make any change to the computer. A standard user is much more limited in which files they can see, what type of configurations they can change, and what applications they can use. Every machine needs one administrator, and typically the other users are fine to be standard user. Now I'd like to talk about adding a local account to a Windows 11 PC. So not a Microsoft account that would be connected to the cloud, but just a local account that only exists on this PC. So off the Start menu, I'll type in User, and I'm given the option to add, edit, or remove other users. I'll select that, and then I'll click the button for Add Account. It will prompt me for the information for a Microsoft account, but that's not what I want to do. So I'll click the option for I don't have this person's sign-in information. And that'll take me to a screen that gives me a few choices. The bottom one is add a user without a Microsoft account, at which point I'll need to give a username and a password. And then I'll need to set up security questions. And click Next. And now I've created a local account that only exists on this machine, not connected to the internet. And I have the option to change that account type. It defaulted to a standard user. I could change it to an administrator if I wanted to, but I'm going to leave it as a standard user. Now I'd like to talk about adding a domain user to a Windows 11 PC. The first thing we'll need to do is join our Windows 11 PC to a domain. So off the Start menu, I'll type in domain, and the option it gives me is access work or school. I'll click on that. And near the top, my option is to connect. In the dialog that pops up, the option on top is to add an account, but that's not what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to look a little lower in the interface for join this device to a local Active Directory domain. I'll click on that. It's asking for the domain name. I'll type it in and click Next. And then it's prompting me for a username and password of an administrator of that domain. So I'll type that in and click OK. Now it's asking me to enter the account information for the person who will be using this PC. I could use administrator or a different account on that domain, and I can make them either a standard user or an administrator. I'll click Next. And it's going to force me to restart. And once I restart, my PC will be joined to a domain. So I'm going to do that offline. Now, if you don't have access to a domain, don't worry about it. The majority of things we do in this course do not require being connected to a domain.